Welcome to the podcast. Of course, we're doing these versions, so basically, we don't have to worry about you having to watch a video or see what I'm doing. You can do both now. No commercials. You can turn the screen off, which is why I'm doing these. You can sit and listen to real quick, real easy, and get an understanding as a DIY person, not necessarily a detailer, although this will help incredibly, but as someone DIY, this will definitely help. This podcast is going to be the ultimate guide to understanding the significance of a ClayBar in car detailing. Today we're going to talk about why the ClayBar is so important in achieving a truly clean and polished car. A ClayBar is a tool that is specifically designed to remove contaminants from the surface of your car's paintwork. These contaminants can be anything from industrial fallout, brake dust, tree sap, to even tiny medical particles. Yes, it can remove all those that can't be removed any other way. Well, you might be wondering why I can't use regular soap and water. Even if you wash your car regularly, there are still contaminants that can't be removed with soap alone. These impurities, if left untreated, can dull your car's finish and cause long-term damage. Don't want that. This is where the ClayBar comes in. It effectively grabs onto these contaminants, pulling them out from the pores of the paintwork, leaving a perfectly smooth surface. Like I said, using the ClayBar is easy. The best way to use it, foam the car down. After you foam the car down, definitely use the ClayBar then. Some people use the spray lube so that it needs lubrication so you can hear the sandpaper leaving as you rub back and forth. That's a must. Definitely gotta have that. Of course, you'll be amazed at the effects of what the ClayBar does as you go over the surface smoothly and leave it perfectly clean surface. There's no other way to do it. You gotta use the clay. Not only does the clay restore the shine and smoothness of your paintwork, but it also prepares the surface for other detailing steps, such as polishing and waxing by removing the impurities. You'll achieve better results and a longer lasting finish. On top of this longer lasting finish, your wax will last longer. You must clay your car before applying wax. The wax needs to stick to the paint, not the contaminants. It's very important that this happens, or your wax won't last that long bonded to contaminants that you failed to remove or didn't take that extra step of claying. This step must be taken. It's a secret weapon that ensures a deep, thorough clean and prepares your car's paintwork for the next level of detailing. In conclusion, using a ClayBar is a crucial step in car detailing. It's a secret weapon that ensures a deep, thorough clean and prepares your car's paintwork for the next detailing. So if you want your car to look its absolute best, please make sure you apply the ClayBar in your next step.